Good morning from Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'm here for the Lantern Festival. After 10 days in northern Thailand, I'm headed to my next destination with so many beautiful memories, but one night stood out as vastly different from the rest. Here's a look back on my night of making wishes and connecting with the moon at the Yi Peng Lantern Festival in Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'm here for the Lantern Festival, which has been on my bucket list for years. It seems like such a big thing that I've always kind of wondered, like, oh, I don't know if it'll happen. It's hard to get tickets to. You just have to be precise with the timing. It's supposed to be getting really busy today. It's Friday. The Lantern Festival is today and tomorrow. Oh, I'm so excited. It just looks truly magical and like such a special and potentially life-impacting experience. Yeah, I'm just really looking forward to it. Beautiful cafe today. It's definitely Lantern weekend. There are so many people here, but the ambiance is exciting and fun. I can't wait to see everything tomorrow. And my friend Aki made a great point that if there are more people, there's going to be more lanterns tomorrow. This is the view. And I just ordered a bunch of yummy food. Here with my friend Aki, and we just got ready and we're heading to our pickup section. Woo-hoo. Hello from Chiang Mai, Thailand. We're here at the Lantern Festival. Yay! This is so cool. From the moment we stepped into the festival grounds, we could already tell that the space was alive with energy and celebration. There were beautiful traditions from Thailand that were surrounding the space, and each of the guests was invited to participate in the festivities. This dance is a bamboo dance that's a traditional folk dance from northern Thailand and is often performed at festivities and celebrations. Whoa! It looks super fun. Now it was time to participate in the Loi Katthong ceremony. A variety of wishes can be made during this time, but as my floating offering drifted away, it carried dreams for the future and hopes for new beginnings.
Here, when we release the lanterns all together tonight, we get rid of misfortune. We bring good luck, and we symbolize a new beginning.
As the first lanterns rose into the night sky, I was left completely speechless. Knowing that so many people from around the world were gathered here carrying their own wishes and dreams to share was so powerful. I wanted to laugh and cry, and I couldn't say anything for a moment. But as more lanterns floated into the sky, I kept looking towards the moon. I felt like it was shining for me and sharing its light with me as I made my wish. Then when it came time to release my lantern, I let my dreams float up, and it felt as though the universe was wide open with unlimited possibilities. Possibilities for new dreams and new hopes and goodness and so much more that I'm not even aware of yet. But I know that it will show me in the right time. And for now, my heart feels so full.